Here we're planting tomatoes through a woven plastic mulch. This helps keep the weeds at bay, and also it allows the rain and any moisture to go through the plastic into the soil. We find it helps the crop really establish itself well, and promotes the growth, early production and growth of the crop. Once the crop is planted, we put a fabric over the top of it. This keeps the frost at bay and also will give us an earlier crop. This is electrical tubing, a metal tubing that is bent to the hoop shape. It's easily pressed into the soil. What we're trying to do here is to keep the fabric away from the crop so that it doesn't rub on the young plants.